Hey, what up guys? It's Friday, so that means it's fun with the Iceman. And today I'm going to be doing something kind of spectacular. I'm going to be making food out of my mouth. Yes, mouth. Food. Food making out of the mouth. So without further ado of me talking, here you go. Alright, that was strange, and but now you have seen my power. I can create food out of my mouth just by chewing it up a little bit and spitting it back out. So yeah, I'll be back, well actually I'll see you Sunday for a little gaming time. So hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you Sunday. Till then, peace out.